Hello and welcome to Section 3 of our course. We've completed our setup and gotten a taste of running our first script. Now, we move on to the fundamental building blocks of all programming languages. Data types. What are data types? In simple terms, a data type is a classification that specifies which type of value a variable has and what kind of mathematical, relational, or logical operations can be applied to it. Think of it like a container that not only holds something but also dictates what you can do with what's inside. When you write a program, you work with different kinds of information: numbers, text, dates, true, false values, and more complex collections of data. Python needs to know what kind of information it's dealing with to store and manipulate it correctly. Section 3 Overview. In this section, we will cover the simple, fundamental data types before diving into the complex sequence types later in the course. Here is a quick look at what we'll master. Numeric types, Lecture 3.2 and 3.3. This includes whole numbers, integers, numbers with decimal points, floats, and special numeric forms like complex numbers. Boolean types, Lecture 3.4. These are the simplest type, representing just two values, true or false. They are essential for flow control and decision-making in code. We will also learn how to change data from one type to another using type conversion functions and discuss the rules for naming variables, known as identifiers. Understanding data types is non-negotiable. If you try to perform a mathematical operation on text, Python will throw an error. A strong grasp of these types will save you countless headaches as you build more complex programs. We'll kick off the core content of this section immediately in our next lecture, 3.2. Numeric types, where we'll explore integers and floating point numbers in depth. I'll see you there.